Greg Allman was dying and made a last album, and it is just great.
When did that come out?
Maybe about 5 years ago.
Okay.
4 years ago, something like that. And it's kind of like Warren Zevon did something very similar. Just tremendous album. He knew he was dying and did a last album. His particular song is I'm going, I'll be gone. And it's just...
Did his fans know he was dying?
Yeah. He made this, like...
So it's public.
He knew he was dying, and he made the album. Yeah, girls and I, before we start our day, we do our playlists. It makes skiing, it just adds a whole other feature to skiing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it kind of relaxes you.
Now, do you do the same playlist, or?
No, they have their own.
Oh, okay.
Ashley's listening to 80s music today. And I was streaming YouTube, which I usually do. Like, I listen to music all day long. And I'm getting pretty good streams today. But I was getting some pauses, so I just went into
Playlist?
my backlog playlist that I have on my phone.
If you used to have music and it's cutting up and breaking out, you're probably...
Yeah, right. Yeah, I was getting frustrating. Yeah, what are the pine trees that lose their
Yeah.
needles in the winter?
I don't even know if I've ever... It must not be... It looks like pine cones, though, doesn't it? On the tree. It must
Yeah,
be-
they don't look like deciduous. They got pine cones on them.
Definitely do.
And then you have these other ones. I mean, I can't believe they're dead.
I don't think they are. I hope they're not all dead. But somehow they don't seem dead. They seem like a tree that loses its leaves in the winter.
Now, in the U.S., they would be covered with bras and panties.
Yeah. That's an interesting tradition.
So you live in Peters?
No, in Mount Lebanon.
In Mount Lebanon, okay.
I think one of the people in the group does live in Peters, so.
Hey, wait, you know John through his gym, or?
No.
Oh, okay. Coincidentally, his gym that he is buildings in, a lot of my customers in Pittsburgh, young guys, go there, yeah. So it's always funny because I always go, hey, is dude there? He goes, looks out, hey, dude, Bruce is on the phone. Oh, jeez.